Hi, I'm Kate, and this is my YouTube channel. This is our first video, and I just wanted to show that I did open these packages. However, I have not opened per se them. So these are all new items off Amazon, and I will provide the links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing them. These are quite cool, so I thought I'd share them. And behind these boxes is my son Caleb. So our first item here is a selfie stick. Thank you, Caleb. Let's see if we can open it up. Alright, first thing right off the bat is we've got this cool little charging cable. Pretty standard. And like so many things that come from other countries and are sold on Amazon, it came with an awesome bag. You want to open that for me? Can you open it?
First, I have sticky hands.
You have sticky hands?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Can I have it back? Give it back. I'll open it.
There we go.
Oh, I don't have a spare hand to hold the phone with. So you can just see my messy house. Alright. So, looks pretty nice actually.
That is cool.
It's a telescoping one. Pretty nice. I mean, I'm not really super big on selfies. It looks like it's wireless. But, what are you doing, you goofball? But it looks like it's pretty secure. It would hold the phone pretty well. It is just kind of the spring type that hold your phone inside. But, bonus points for it being wireless. That's pretty awesome. So, what else do we have?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Alright. There's that. We'll set that aside for now. And I want to give myself a workspace here. Video baby monitor. Awesome. Alright. Go back to that first box.
Is that Matthew?
No, baby. It's not Matthew.
Whose baby is?
I'm gonna get to see a whole lot of my house just because I only have one hand to open things with.
You have to use your hands to work this up. See? If you do that, it will break. All the
Yeah,
stuff.
I know. I don't know what's in here, so let's see. My husband's Alright. This is a Got Me Tipsy cup. I'm actually really excited for it.
Bubbles.
I have to cover up part of one word just because of the nature of it being YouTube. But you can pretty much guess what this says. Actually, this is really awesome. I love this cup. It may be a thing in my house from now on. That's pretty awesome. Alright. So there is that. Next we have the video baby monitor. Look at that.
For a baby.
Alright. So obviously included is the camera. looks like it's got some infrared lighting around the edge. Looks like a receiver. And then included appears to be a mirror. I'm trying to put it together. A mirror that you can put in your car. Now, that lets you see baby a little better, I guess. If people are interested, I will do a second video on how this works and actually hook it up. But just looking at it inside the box, it actually looks pretty nice. I mean, this is something I would use for my kids. And it looks like it has a two-way talk function and music functions. Actually feels really nice, looks really nice. Let's see. Thank you. And, okay, it says works as a system with up to 4 cameras. You can see all the functions here. As well as pretty nice settings. That's pretty awesome. Yep, it is a baby car mirror. That's pretty awesome. Excuse me. Alright, last box.
It's in one baby.
Packing bubbles! Yeah, packing bubbles! I have no idea what this is. Oh, you know what? I do know what this is. This is... Well, we'll come back to that, because I don't want to tell you what it is. I mean, it is, after all, an unboxing video. Alright. He's going to be awesome and open up our packages for us, so that we don't have to struggle so much.
That way we can't bump.
And yes, before anybody asks, I do order these items, but I don't keep track of what's coming when. And sometimes there's surprise items thrown in there that I don't know anything about them. So, while you see Prime boxes, that doesn't necessarily mean I purchased them. Sometimes they're gifted from sellers or friends around the world. This one is hair ties. Yay! I actually ordered these because we were in pretty desperate need, and not just myself, but my husband also has long hair. So these black and blue and green ties are probably going to be for him. Next.
What next?
Let's go with this one.
This is
KTC Pro.
and the last one is sticker tar.
Oh, these are cool.
Look at that.
Awesome.
It's just what that.
So these are spiky
square.
massage balls.
It is not.
Very, very cool. Huh.
See, it looks like a J or a
They're
L.
pretty solid, man.
That's
They,
that would be. That's
they feel like they would feel really good on the bottom of your feet. Okay, okay, boys. All right. Our next item is collapsible cube boxes. I'm actually a really big fan of the collapsible cubes because they are so easy to put together. And they look really nice, especially if you're trying to hide things. Like, I specifically bought these ones for the shelf because it can be crazy. I love the bookshelf portion, but as you can see, we have our own family bins. And it just looks really bad if you leave things exposed, I guess. That's my impression. So, we purchased these to kind of hide that. I mean, I'm pretty sure that many people have these in their house. But, sorry, I'm just grabbing a base. But I liked these because they have a pouch in the front, and I can put name tag labels inside of them without making it a very permanent thing. So these will eventually go on the shelf behind me. And last package, but certainly not least, we have, I actually know what this item is because I was contacted by the seller and just asked if I would like one. And actually it was really convenient timing because we are planning to go camping this summer and learn a little bit more about fishing, which you know, it was my thing when I was younger. I used to do a lot of fishing with my family. Well, not specifically my family, but usually with friends' family. And so I wanted to bring that back with my children and just bring, you know, be able to show them and take them on those experiences as well. Now, I don't know a whole lot about fishing beyond how to actually fish. It's something that I plan to learn and kind of self-teach. But actually really like this. I mean, I like that it's thinner, but I mean, I guess one could be worried that this would be something that would snap. But what I wanted to show is actually, and it's not fully extended, but it is a telescoping fishing pole. So it's really super easy and convenient for travel. I mean, I guess for taking it in the car, because who wants like something hanging over seats and stuff like that? That's not me. I mean, I would go fishing mostly because it's something exciting for my kids to do, and not necessarily because and I enjoy fishing, but I don't personally eat fish, so we would have to find a home for anything we caught anyway. But these are the eyelets, very similar to other fishing poles that I've seen, so I couldn't speak to the quality because I just don't know. I don't know enough about fishing. But here's the reel. It's actually pretty nice. It glides very smooth. And there you go. There's more information about it if you're interested. It also included is the line, fishing line, and a very small tackle box. Very cool though. Looks like there's a lot of options for weights and lures in here. I can go ahead and open it up for me if I can find where the tab is. Oh, it may have tape on it still. Okay, so it looks like you've got quite a few cool little lures here. I love that they're sparkly. Looks like you've got hooks, or at least some hooks, and some weights. Let's see.
That's 2 weights.
Another hook. I really don't want to stab myself because I'm not paying attention. I'm looking through my phone at these things. And yet another. So, I believe retail this fishing set is $40. But I will, again, I'll include the link for all items that I've shown in this video in the comments below, and hopefully I will get a stand for my camera to make this a lot easier and less rough on viewers. But I just wanted to get my channel up and going, so there you go. yeah, that's about it. We'll see you guys next time.